Welcome to Turbulent Academy. So, after our tremendous output from the GATE important topics, like we have more than 20k viewers within a short span of time, I thought like why can't we go ahead with GATE reference book, because many people have asked me doubts on sir, what reference book, what kind of book shall I study for going ahead with the GATE preparation. So for those people who wanted to know what kind of reference book can be had for studying all the subjects, I'm going to give you a detailed description and about the book and all those stuff, and link is to be provided for you in the description for your ease of access, and also the PDF will also be available for you in the description so that you can download and have a list with you always. Okay, so let's start with the basics. So we'll go by as per the syllabus. First we have mathematics. Among the mathematics, all the topics would be covered by Higher Engineering Mathematics by B.S. Grewal. So if you could see here, this book is like most important or most sought after popular book among all the engineers particularly. Okay, so this is the first thing, and next thing is actually after this B.S. Grewal we can have that Erwin Kreyszig among all the students, which is like almost it covers all the topic of the math. Let it be probability, numerical methods, or let it be complex variables or anything of that sort, differential calculus or something of that sort. Everything will get covered in this particular book. And if you want to start with your mathematics, and if you're not sure, like many diploma holders are out here who go to diploma, and after diploma they go to second year of engineering, and now they are studying for GATE. For those people, I would recommend NCERT standard 11 and 12 to go ahead with the math. Whatever the portion, whatever the syllabus is under GATE for mechanical, you could go ahead with this. This would be really important. Okay, so whatever the basics, if you're not sure about the basics, if you have any doubt about the basics, I recommend you to go ahead with this NCERT book. All the links will be provided in the description as well as in the PDF which we are about to give you for free. Okay, you can download it. Next is engineering mechanics. So vector mechanics for engineers, statics and dynamics. So this is very important book, and many people, many professors suggest this, actually a foreign author book which will give you all the concepts and will give you more and more of problem solving techniques. That's really important thing in this book. I would personally recommend you this book. This is really important for you to go ahead with understanding any concepts of engineering mechanics. Next is our own R.K. Bansal. R.K. Bansal is really good for this engineering mechanics also. If you could see the book, this would be very lucid preparation. It will be very easy for you to understand and to go ahead with engineering mechanics. R.K. Bansal for engineering mechanics. Next is engineering mechanics, statics and dynamics by Merriam and Craig. I have personally seen IIT professors during my studying, and also after that I have seen many professors mentioning this Merriam and Craig as their reference book. Okay, while they were studying and while they were mentioning, they have mentioned this book to be the reference for them. So I could recommend this particular book to understand the concepts. Okay, personally in all the subjects I would like to say that we have two books. One is Indian author, which will have lots of problems, lots of basics. Another is foreign authors, which will have lots of concepts for you to understand. Okay, I have divided it into both, and all the links has been given to you. Next is for you to understand the basics, like if you're not sure about engineering mechanics and if you're not sure what is going on, you could rather go for NCERT standard 11. Okay, physics book is there. You could rather take this and start solving the problems. That would be making you strong on the basics. I would rather prefer you to solve all the exercise problems available. That exercise problems are really good. Actually, they have a very rich standard, so that you can start solving this NCERT standard 11 physics books, which covers under our GATE mechanical syllabus. Okay, next is strength of materials. Obviously many people out here suggested S.S. Rattan. S.S. Rattan is a book on strength of material, and many people suggested actually this S.S. Rattan also. Now if you can see mechanics of materials, Beer and Johnson. So we have seen this engineering mechanics, and this Beer and Johnson is really good for going ahead with the structures and all those analysis and calculations. These guys are really good. You could even opt this for one foreign author, and possibly Gear and Timoshenko. This is really good book for mechanics of materials, personally recommended by scientists from ISRO. Okay, so this book is really good for particularly GATE preparation actually. Next is Ram Amrutam. Ram Amrutam is I have seen many people, many old people, right from the age of 50s and all, have also recommended this Ram Amrudam, and they have asked us to go ahead with Ram Amrudam for this strength of materials, of mechanics of materials. This will really serve the purpose. Okay, this is also for civil engineering students. And next is R.K. Bansal, strength of materials. What can I say? This is really important. This is many people's only guide for all the strength of material needs, and this is really important one by R.K. Bansal. Now, very much important one. Even all the professors is recommending this mechanics of materials, Igor Popov. This is really good, and they'll also say a pride for strength of materials. He has done a lot of research on the book actually, so a lot of things have come up in this book. This book is always good for concepts, is what we hear. Next is Theory of Machines by S.S. Ratan. Personally, I recommend this book. This is really good. It should cover the vast range, and it could give you lots of complicated problems. I have seen few of the questions coming in the gate from this book actually, so I could rather prefer this. Next is Thomas Wynne, one of the oldest book in lines of Bellany, and this is really good for you to go ahead with Theory of Machines if you want to include a foreign author in your list. Okay, next is Neil Sclater. So Neil Sclater is also a book on this Theory of Machines. You could even source this. And very much important thing is Mechanical Vibrations by V.P. Singh. I have seen lots of questions directly taken from this book and been posted in GATE. Okay, so if you are not sure about this, you can even check many of this question from vibration for asking us to find the natural frequency, angular frequency has been taken directly from this book. And obviously G.K. Grover is very much sought after book for this vibration. You can have this in your list. And Design of Machine Elements by Bhandari is the only source. I could rather say many people have suggested only one book for Design of Machine Elements. I could rather say that is V.P. Bhandari, and that is really good, and you could have this for sure. Okay, and I would rather suggest another book also, which is Robert L. Norton, Machine Design. You could have one extra book for a foreign author thing. Next is Shigley, Mechanical Engineering Design, conceptual book. I have seen books. I personally recommend this book also for many kinds of problems which are not under our scope. Like if you are not able to understand, you can take this book and have a go through, so to understand what's the question like and how it is solved and all those stuff. Next is one book. No need to say any words about this. Many people have this book in your home. Obviously, I could guess, varies with the edition, but one-stop shop for all the fluid mechanical needs. Right? Fluid mechanics is a vast topic, but all the vast topic will be covered in this book, is what I guess. Now, to understand any concept, I could rather say this Eunice and John M. Simbala book is really good in terms of concepts. This really gets you a stronger base on fluid mechanics, so that you could go ahead. Okay, he's one of the excellent foreign author I could rather suggest. Next is Introduction to Fluid Mechanics, Fox and McDonald. You could have this as a subject, and again I could suggest this Frank M. White book by Fluid Mechanics, Frank M. White, and also many people, engineering faculty suggest this Fluid Mechanics and Fluid Machines by S.K. Som and Gautam Biswas and Suman Chakraborty, and many people recommended this. I also ask you to go ahead with this book, and all the links, as I've said before, is given in the description. So personally, one of the DRDO scientists recommended this particular Engineering Heat and Mass Transfer by Sachdeva to me. I personally recommend this book. So this is a source of all heat and transfer syllabus. Okay. So now again, heat and mass transfer by Eunice Engel to understand the concepts of heat and mass transfer, and one of in the bucket list. Now C.P. Kodandaraman is preferred by many, like say any universities, Indian universities prefer C.P. Kodandaraman for HMT, and I would also ask you to have this in your bucket list also. Now NAG is very important in almost all related to fluid mechanics and thermal sciences, and he plays a very important role in HMT also. Now for engineering thermodynamics, many people suggested to first go with PK Nag, because he asks you, or he makes you strong on the concepts, which is really important, which we lack in Indian authors, right? So PK Nag fulfills it actually, is what we have seen, and I have went through it. Next, what could I say about this really Really, once I see the words come out from their mouth is what could I say about this book, because it's really good, it's an excellent, it has helped me a lot of time during my research to publish my paper and all the stuff. A journal paper was published after reading on and on and on about this book. A really good conceptual book if you want to understand what is thermodynamics and what is it about and all those stuff. Okay, a really good book. If you are interested in thermal, I suggest you to compulsorily have this book in your bucket list for sure. Okay, next is R.K. Rajput. He is one of the famous authors, as you all know, the thermal engineering which he has written. And yes, internal combustion by V. Ganeshan. So many people, particularly I guess in South India, knows no other book than this V. Ganeshan. But yes, we do have another book also, which is by Mathur and Sharma, by Dhanpatrai Publications, which is internal combustion engines. Okay, fine. Next is steam and gas turbines and power plant engineering, a total wider topic covered by R. Yadav. You can even have it for your reference, and particularly power plant engineering by R. K. exclusive set for power plant engineering, there's thermal applications, a Brayton cycle, Rankine and all those stuff. So refrigeration and air conditioning by C.P. Arora. Tried for many other books, but many people were sticking on to C.P. Arora because it serves the purpose. Okay. Next is material science and engineering. This book really good is really good actually. So William D. Callister, that is really good. You could even go for it. And one more book written by an Indian author, which is V.P. Gadkare. You can even search for this particular book over here. And next is to understand the concepts of manufacturing, to know the formulas, to solve many problems. You could rather go for Kalpak Gyan. So Kalpak Syrup, Kalpak Gyan is really good. You could go recommended by many people. You could even go for this. And while I started with the manufacturing, and I realized if there is any problems in manufacturing, many people, many faculties, many IIT alumni recommended me to go ahead with PC Sharma. So which is really good book, and you could even search for any kind of problems regarding that. And P.N. Rao, many people suggested this because it has 2 volumes. It is on an extensive scale. You can also try for it. Next is, if you want a foreign author with all the problems, all the formulas involved in it, you could really go for Michael P. Grover. And it is really important to understand concepts also. What could I say about this book? Direct questions are from this particular book on GATE actually. So only universities we think copy from their book directly, but GATE committee has also copied one of the question directly from this manufacturing science book written by IIT professors themselves. So this is one important book, I guess, for even non-conventional machining process to have it with you. Okay, so this is one-stop shop for our metrology, engineering metrology by R.K. Jain. You could really have this as your reference in the bucket list. This is one important thing. Industrial engineering management by O.P. Khanna. Yes, it is one-stop shop. I could also say that this is really good, and it is very hard to find another book as a replacement for O.P. Khanna. Then production engineering, production and operation management by Anil Kumar, operation management by J. Heiser, and for OR, operation research, which is very important in the coming days of GATE, Hira and Gupta. Kanti Swarup is referred by many faculties all over, and also quantitative techniques in management, ND Ora, which is also really important. Okay, so now coming back to aptitude, many people would know no other book other than this, which is Quantitative Aptitude by R.S. Agarwal, recommended by all the HRs, all the interviewers. If you want to go to any interview, the basics, everything will be provided in this book. This is really good. I could rather say it in that way, whatever the exams it is. If you want to solve it in an aptitude, you could start with this particular book and end with this particular book, which would gain you more of knowledge. And for the English, for verbal and non-verbal reasoning, this is going to really serve you the purpose. I could rather go ahead suggesting this. This is really good. Almost everyone suggested this. Without a doubt, without a second thought, I could rather say it in that way. And finally, for the people who can afford buying books, I could rather prefer them to go ahead buying the books. If you are financially, if you are not able to buy it, that's a totally different concept. I am not talking to you. If you are able to buy, if you are afford, if it's affordable for you, go ahead buying it. Don't settle with PDF available in the internet as cheaper one. Yeah, we do say that, but I prefer you, if it's affordable, please go ahead buying it. So thank you. If you have any doubts, you can post it on the comment sections. I'll give you the PDF also, so that you can take a note and have it for your reference. So this is the PDF which is going to be free for you. So you'll have almost all the books references over here, the name of the books which we saw, the link for you to buy. So if it's NCERT book, if you just click it, it will go to the NCERT so that you can download. So everything. So again, NCERT, engineering mechanics, dynamics, if you want to buy it, you can go and buy. It's up to you to decide, but I've given you all the list for you to go through it and have a particular knowledge. Okay, so I give a best wishes to all the guys over there who's preparing for GATE exams. Thank you, students. So just give a go and crack the GATE exam perfectly.